Beef stew with rice and cumin. Ingredients: braising beef, white rice, tomatoes, bay leaves, cumin, garlic, olive oil, dried basil, salt and pepper for seasoning. Step 1. Mix the tomatoes with the cumin and basil. Blend until you have a smooth liquid. Step 2. Cut the braising steak diagonally and cover it with soy sauce. Season with salt and pepper. Step 3. Cut a garlic head in half and sear the meat on all sides in olive oil. Step 4. Put the meat on top of the garlic, add the rice and mix well. Pour the tomato liquid in the pot, add the bay leaf and 2 cups of water and mix. Cook for 3 hours at a medium temperature. Serve and enjoy.